Depende, syempre, that's a semis, bro. Di ba?
Oh,
Syempre, pag kalaban mo sila, wala kang pakialam eh. Kasalanan
Isushoot
nila
mo
yun.
ba?
Kasalanan nila yun. Ano ba tinuturo sa atin nung tayo? Play until the last buzzer goes off.
ay, iba-ibang. Iba yan ang gusto ko.
Tama ba? Hindi. Tinuro ba sa'yo yan?
Totoo yan.
You play until the buzzer goes off. You play hard. Always
protect
play hard.
yourself para sa...
Bro, this is the semi-finals. Walang kaibigan. Di ba kasi yung point yan, you trying to take food from my family by winning. Oh, anong mas bastos dun?
Panalo ka na nga eh.
Kahit na, you're trying to take their hearts para next game, wala silang kumpiyansa.
Ayun. Ma-down sila hanggang next game.
Yeah, may ano yan eh, may mental ano yan eh, warfare din yan eh. Yan yung side niya. That's his outlook.
Coaching
You
side.
you can't say na mali siya. Why do you get mad? Kasi ever since we were little, yung tinuturo sa atin, you play until the buzzer goes off, no matter what. 'Di ba? Pag hindi mo ginawa sa practice, tumigil ka sa practice. Si Yengyao pa yung maunang sisigawan ka eh. 'Di ba? Mumurahin ka pa. Oh. Tapos pag sa game, pag ginawa mo yun, bawal.
Relax ka lang.
Ano kay Coach Yeng, kasi yan yung ano sa kanya eh. Yan yung opinion niya eh.
Okay.
I respect the opinion, pero there's always another side. You gotta respect Terrence's side also. Yes, mo kanong ako as a player, mindset ko, man, I'm gonna keep playing till the buzzer goes off. Pero there's times na mindset ko rin, they've had it. Sige, tama na. Ibababa ko na yung bola.